King Price sent us 5 Weber Braais, limited edition Ferrari red. This is not an ad for them. And we don't know what to do with it.
Well, we kind of do know what to do with it. We thought of doing a social experiment.
We got less than 24 hours to plan the most epic braai in Cape Town, only using social media. I think it's just after 1 o'clock, and tomorrow we need to host the braai at 1 o'clock. So we literally have less than 24 hours to plan something insane.
So start the clock.
Friends and family. Right.
It means appreciating the past, the present and the future of our country. That's Heritage Day.
Embracing being 100% South African.
Having a braai and having a beer like local.
You can spend time with friends and family and also think about the heritage as well.
Just having a good time with friends, nice beer.
I think just staying core to your roots.
Means celebration of ideas, different cultures, just diversity. That's what it's all about.
Well, I just think it's really cool that we have it in South Africa because we all have like different heritages. So I just love how we can like celebrate everybody's different heritages and then come together. Yeah. Friends, family, different people coming together and having a lekker braai.
It means that I can continue celebrating my heritage.
Right.
It shouldn't be one day, so I'm continuing.
A lot of different people and like cultures can come together and kind of just celebrate the fact that we're all different and celebrate that. Yeah.